Ben here from Sender TV. Well, the good times just keep on rolling here on Sender TV. A few days ago, I got yet another new package. Just let me turn the camera around. Now, if we look at those 4 boxes, we all know what that means. More new rims. So let's go over and take a closer look at these bad boys. Get a look at that. Now what I might do is I'll just take off the protection. These are the Koya SF10 rims, made by Koya Wheels here in Australia. I might just try and zoom in and see. Oh yeah, you should be able to make out the little brand name there in the center, just to give them a little plug. I might not get anything out of it, but hey, you never know. Okay, so these are going to be my street rims. If you'd watched my previous videos, you remember that I bought some fully forged rims that I'll be using on the track. So you can go back and have a look at that, or if you bear with me, I'll just come over here to the garage. So that's the fully forged version there from Herod Performance. So that comes with the Mach 1 handling package. I found out when I was talking to Koya that the guys actually manufactured these for Herod anyway. And this come along. So they look pretty awesome, but I'm very keen to see what these new ones look like as well. I think they're going to look perhaps even better. Stay tuned and I'll show you a video once the new rims and tyres are on. The new tyres are going to be for the road or the street. They're going to be Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. And we're going to go 285 30 on the front and 305 30 on the rear. The new rims are the same dimension as the ones here that I'm going to use on the track, so 20 inch by 10 inch front and 20 inch by 11 inch rear. Alright, stay tuned. Well viewers, have I got a treat in store for you. Don't go away, there's a deliberate reason why I'm facing the camera on the floor, so I can hold you in further suspense. We're back from the tyre shop, and I can't believe how good these rims and tyres look. Let me show you. Oh, they're just, I don't know. I can't believe how good they are. Hopefully this video does them justice. Now, let's go to the rear. Pretty about that pole being in the way, but I'll try and it really fills out the wheel arch. That low profile just looks awesome. So 305 30. I'll try and come back. Starting to run out of room here. Yeah. I think that these actually look better than the previous rims. Track rims. It's probably not a fair comparison because the tyres I have on those track rims that were early in the video are actually smaller than these tyres, and they have a higher profile, so they don't quite fill out as much, but I suspect these rims are probably better. I'd like to say a big thanks to Corey from Tyre Power in Rockhampton. He provided excellent service, and I'd recommend him to anyone. So if you're chasing tyres or even rims, go give Corey a call or call into Tyre Power Rockhampton. And also to Anthony from Coya Wheels. Another excellent business, great service, and really delivered on an excellent product. Alright viewers, I just had another thought. Here's what we might do. Let's run a bit of a poll. So please feel free to leave your comments as to which rims you prefer. I think I'm definitely with the Coya SF10s, the ones here, and the other ones of course were the Herod Performance fully forged wheels before. Of course these ones here, the SF gives it away, they're actually semi-forged, so they're quite a bit cheaper. So I've saved me fully forged wheels for the track and the semi-forged more for just good looks. So leave your comments, make your vote. Good stuff. See ya.